Hey guys, welcome to Sketch-A-Day. This week, I wanted to kick things off with something a little bit different. As some of you know, I'm an industrial designer. I've been doing this for over a decade now, since 2006, 2007. And as an industrial designer, I make products and I build experiences for people. On the side, I do furniture and a few other things. Part of design that I really truly enjoy is visual communication and drawing. And Sketch-A-Day is really just about me giving back to the community and sharing what I know and connecting with all of you. I'm consistently blown away by how far and wide these videos reach and how diverse and just interesting and rich of an audience is checking out this stuff. So sincerely, thank you. This is a passion of mine. I love what I do, and I'm just excited every day to just do this stuff. Now, I'm actually not going to be drawing today. I just wanted to ask for your help. This is a passion of mine and something that I have decided to lean into since last September, October, is to take my passion for drawing a bit more seriously and share a bit more of what I know with you guys. But I really can't do it alone. I need your help. And to those who've supported me and been there for me, I really do truly appreciate it. I do mean that. And I want to ask you guys for a favor today. I want you to help me decide on what to draw next. So I have things that I like to do, and as a designer, illustrator, sometimes it's easy to get caught in ruts and patterns, and you find yourself coming back to the same things. And that's okay, but this is really not just about me, it's about me and you guys. So I'm asking for your help. I want you to leave a comment below, share this video with someone if you feel like they have a good idea as well. Share the channel, give it a like, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you feel so inclined as well, and you need to pick up some supplies, use the links in the video. But this video today is just about getting some ideas from you guys. So I want you to comment below or reach out to me on the socials, join the Discord, whatever you're comfortable with and whatever makes sense. And I'll take those ideas and suggestions into account for the new videos that I'm creating this week. So I'm going to be hard at work today. It is Monday, working on some new stuff. But in the meantime, I'm going to be referring back to this video for your ideas and suggestions. So once again, much love. I'm so blown away by all the support that I find myself getting for the live streams and for the content here. So thank you for your comments, your criticisms, critiques, all of that stuff is just helping this get so much better. You can kind of see in the background here, I've got some stuff going on, making some changes to my tiny studio because I do want to make this the best place to learn about design drawing online. If this is your first time, definitely hit subscribe. Turn on alerts. We post daily here as well as go live 3, sometimes 4 times a week, so you don't want to miss out on that. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on alerts. You can also find me on the socials. I'm at sketchaday.com on Instagram, and I'm at Daily Sketches on Twitter, trying to grow all these things so that I can stay in touch with you guys better. There are links in the videos for the Discord and other ways to reach out and help support Sketch-A-Day as well, so be sure to check that out. So thank you, and I'll be back with more content starting tomorrow through the rest of the week. Take care, guys.